Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to add XYZ tile map in web browser or in GIS software. Basically in this video I will show you all such type of tiled web map, how can you add in QGIS software or many other GIS software that is possible to add. That will help you to identify, that will help you to add lot of additional information on your GIS system, or that sometimes you can use such type of XYZ tiled map for digitization purpose. So for which is very useful, you know that because if it is possible to add Google satellite image in your GIS QGIS system on the background, so lot of information you can add. For example, so many organizations provide such type of XYZ tiled web map service, and in this video basically that I am going to show you, and not only that, I will also provide lot of XYZ tiled web map link. But before doing that, first thing is that I just briefly discuss what is XYZ tiled web map, which is also sometimes called Sleepy map. So this tiled web map technology was first introduced by OSM or OpenStreetMap organization. Okay, this is nothing. Instead of adding a large image on your computer or on the web browser, this architecture basically stored the image at one large image stored in a tiled mode. That means dozens of individual image can be stitched in a tiled format. Okay, so it is nowadays it is the most popular way to display and navigate map, especially for the large context like global context. Okay, so that will help you to render your image much more faster. If you want to perform zooming, panning, that will definitely very helpful. I mean, earlier we will try to add such type of large image with the help of OGC compliant web map service, but instead of OGC WMS service, web map service, this tiled web map service is nowadays very popular. Okay, so let me show you using QGIS software how can you add such type of things. But before doing that, I am just showing you the list so that you can understand using QGIS software or using your browser as a WebGIS interface, you can add such type of tiled web map services. Suppose if you want to add Google Map, this is the URL, or this this is the uniform resource locator. This is the typically non-technically you can say this is the link. So same way, if you want to add the Google satellite tiled service, then this is the link. The same way, Google satellite hybrid map if you want to add, Google Street Map if you want to add, Google Terrain, OpenStreetMap if you want to add, OpenStreetMap cycle map, OpenStreetMap black and white map, Esri. You know what is Esri? Very popular software developing organization. Okay, so Esri imagery or satellite map if you want to add, Esri street map if you want to add, Esri topo sheet if you want topographic map, sorry, Esri topographic map if you want to add, CartoDB base map if you want to add, or finally Stamen. This is also global. I mean, this organization also develop and provide you the global base map. So Stamen terrain map if you want to add, all such type of web map, tiled web map that is possible to add. So this is nothing. Here whenever you will use such type of URL, they basically provide you the entire global map by creating small square shaped tiled, and this tiled image format will be used by default PNG. But when you see this tiled map on your browser or on your QGIS software, you will see one large image. You can't see the tiled view. So these tiled images will be stitched and give you a larger view or bigger map view. So let's do it. Okay, so this is the I will also provide you this document. So if you want, you can download it, and even you can add such type of things. So let me show you how to do this one in QGIS software. Okay, so I just open QGIS software. As you can see, in my case I am using QGIS version 3.63, but whatever, any QGIS version that you can use. So first step, if you want to add XYZ tiled web map, then you have to add browser panel. So for doing this, go to view menu, then choose panel, then choose browser panel. So exactly this one, such type of browser panel you will get. Now in this browser panel there is a XYZ tile source is there. So if you have such type of XYZ tiled map link, I mean URL, so this link you have to provide here. So I'm just showing you. Just click XYZ tile, then click mouse right button, then choose new connection. So provide a name, supposed to be, if you want to add Google Map, so I write down Google Map. Then you have to provide the URL, Uniform Resource Locator link. So from this Microsoft Word document, I just copy the URL and paste it here. So that's all, nothing we have to provide. So you have to provide name, because based on this name later you will use this tiled map. So Google Map is there, then click OK. So one Google Map XYZ tile service you already prepared. Now if you want to see this Google Map, then select it, then click your mouse left button and drag it in the layer panel. Okay, let me show you again if you do not understand. So just select this Google Map tile service, click and drag your mouse left button and place this Google Map layer in the layers panel. Now you can zoom anywhere using your scroll mouse, I mean zooming option, and that you can see. Okay, so exactly the same way I'm going to show you a lot of other examples. Suppose if you want to add Google satellite image, I just copy the URL. Suppose I write down Google satellite, I paste the URL. Okay, so now Google satellite tiled map was there. You select, let me make invisible this Google Map and drag this Google satellite in the layers panel. So the Google satellite view now you will get. So that will, as I told you, that will very helpful. Lot of additional information you will get in your GIS system. If you want to extract some information, that is all that you can by doing digitization, or whatever, using geocoding service or whatever. In case of, if you want, whenever you will perform classification in image classification in QGIS software, you can use such type of image as a reference. Okay, so lot of one is there. I'm not showing you each and every one, but that is possible exactly the same way. Suppose I just add ISRI street map. So just go there and I choose ISRI street map. Click OK. Make this Google satellite image invisible. Choose ISRI street map, drag it. So exactly, and not only that, this tiled in the QGIS browser panel, if you add all such type of tiled service, now next time if you close your QGIS software and later again if you open, then all these in the browser panel, all these XY tile service is still there. So don't think that every time whenever I will open QGIS in the browser I have to add it. Not at all. Once you add in the browser panel all these tile service, that will be there. So I just show you the last one, that is which one I should suppose OpenStreetMap is possible. Let me add CartoDB base map. CartoDB base map. So you can see the CartoDB base map view. This is the CartoDB base map view. Okay. So that is the so in this video I'm just going to show you, but many other such type of ISRI topographic map you can add, ISRI satellite image, you can satellite map if you want to add, OpenStreetMap if you want to add, all are possible in this way. Okay, so thank you viewers. If you like this video, just click the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.